Did you know the world's oldest living resident hides beneath the Earth's surface, defying time itself? Meet the colossal oldest known living organisms, an immense underground fungus called Armillaria or Stoyome. This fungal giant has been alive for over 2,400 years, making it the planet's oldest inhabitant. Imagine an ancient, interconnected web beneath our feet, silently spreading through forests for millennia. This enduring life form, surviving and thriving, is a testament to nature's resilience. As you explore the woods, remember that beneath your feet exists a hidden world where an ancient fungus continues to flourish, rewriting our understanding of what it means to be truly old, a world of nature.